Hello grade 5. Now we will talk about Unit 2, Lesson 3. Equations. The equation is a mathematical expression contains a sample or variable and an equality relation, or an equality relation between two parts, first part and the second part. The symbol, that means the unknown. The second part is 4. First part, second part. Again, equality relation between two parts, first part and the second part. Solving equations. Solving equation means finding the value of the sample, finding the value of the unknown or variable included in the equation. Example: solve each of the following equations. A. X plus 8 equals 15. To solve the equation, that means find the value of x. To find the value of x, move the sign and the number to the next part. At first, minus to be moved the second part to be plus. Plus will be minus. Times will be divided by. Divided by will be times. X plus 8 equals 15. At first, move plus 8 to the next part to be minus 8. Plus will be minus. Minus will be plus. Times will be divided. Divided will be times. Move plus 8 to the next part to be minus 8. Write x equals 15 minus 8. Write x and 15 minus 8 equals 7. X equals 7. Then 7 plus 8 equals 15. B. Y minus 12 equals 6. To find the value of y, move minus 12 to the second part to be plus 12. Then write y equals 6 plus 12. Write y equals 6 plus 12 equals 18. Then y equals 18. 18 minus 12 equals 6. Example 2. Solve each of the following equations. A. 2x equals 14. Solution. 2x, that means 2 times x, or x times 2. Move times 2 to the next part to be divided by 2. Then x equals 14 divided by 2. Then x equals 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. B. Third z equals 9. That meaning 1 over 3 times z. 1 over 3 times z, z is over 1. 1 over 3 times z, and z is over 1. Numerator times numerator. 1 times z equals z. denominator times denominator. 3 times 1 equals 3. Then z over 3 equals 9. Over that means divided. That divided by 3. Move divided by 3 to b times 3. Then z equals 9 times 3 equals 27. Then 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Or 1 over 3 times 27 equals 9. C. 5x minus 3 equals 12. Solution. 5x, that means 5 times x, and minus 3 equals 12. At first, start with plus and minus. Times and minus. Start with minus. Move minus 3 to the next part to be plus 3. 5x equals 12 plus 3. Then 5x equals 15. 5x, that means 5 times x, or x times 5. Move times 5 to the second part to be divided. X equals 15 divided by 5. Then x equals 3. 5x, that means 5 times x. X equals 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 minus 3 equals 12. D. Quarter y plus 5 equals 13. Quarter y, that means quarter times y, or y divided by 4. Quarter y plus 5 equals 13, or y divided 4 plus 5. At first, start with plus. Move plus 5 to the second part to be minus 5. Quarter y equals 13 minus 5. Plus 5, move to b minus 5. Quarter y equals 13 minus 5 equals 8. Again, quarter y, that means y divided by 4. Move divided by 4 to b times 4. Then y equals 8 times 4 equals 32. Quarter y, that means y divided by 4. Then 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 plus 5 equals 13. How to form an equation? You can form an equation from word sentence as in the following table. The difference of the number x and 5 is 10, where x is greater than 5. At first difference, that means minus. Is 10, that means equals 10. Write the greater or write the greatest at the first. X is greater than 5, then write x at first. Difference, that means minus. X minus 5 is 10, that means equals 10. 2. 9 is 7 more than the number y. 9 is that means equals 9. At last, write equals 9. 7 more than the number y. More than, that means plus. 7 plus y, or y plus 7. Then y plus 7 equals 9. 5 times of a number p is 25. Is 25, that means equals 25. 5 times p, 5 times of a number p, that means 5 times p equals 5b equals 25. 7 is, that means equals 7. 3 less than twice a number a. Twice a number a, that means 2a. Less than, that means minus. At first, write the greatest. Less than, twice a number a, 2a is the greatest. Then write 2a minus 3 equals 7. Example 3. The sum of 3 times a number x and 10 is 43. Find the number x. Solution. We form the equation from the word sentence. At first is 43. That means equals 43. The sum, that means plus. 3 times x, that means 3x. And 10, sum, that means plus. 3 times x, 3x, plus 10 equals 43. 3x plus 10 equals 43. 3x, that means 3 times x plus 10. We found times and plus. At first, start with plus or minus. We will start with plus 10 to move the second part to be minus 10. Then write 3x equals 43 minus 10. Then equals 3x equals 43 minus 10 equals 33. 3x, that means 3 times x. Move times 3 to be divided by 3. Then x equals 33 divided by 3. 33 divided by 3 equals 11. 3x, that means 3 times x. X equals 11. 3 times 11 equal 33 plus 10 equals 43. Now we come to the end of our lesson. Thank you so much. Goodbye and see you the next lesson.